today's vlog, you guys, I just started off by running 5 miles. Not even this morning. I was procrastinating, so I ran at like noon, but luckily it's cooler now, and so I was running a lot earlier when it was hotter in the summer, but now if I procrastinate till noon, it's kind of okay because it's not too hot out. So that was lovely. Today I actually didn't. I made myself not check my pace the whole time, which is so hard, but I feel like it actually made me go so much quicker because I wasn't looking at the pace, if that makes sense. I was just going off the loop I knew I was doing in distance, and so I feel like that just like motivated me more. Anyway, I should have showed you, but I ate way too quick. I just made lunch. It was delish. Actually, I can insert a picture. I did eggs, sweet potato, tomato, kale, hummus. I love doing like a bowl like that. So yeah, that was great. I'm happy I did it. Since I have the half marathon coming up, I gotta stick on this training plan. I got off a little bit going to New York. I knew I would. I knew there was just like no way I was gonna run while I was there, but that felt really good. Then I took Brody on his second walk of the day. He is pooped. Huh. I was like, you know what? I feel like I need to cool down a little bit. Why don't I grab the boy? Give him an eye boogie. Let me get that for you. Oh, there we go. And he loved it. Just got him some extra left. Sorry, my memory card is full. I was just saying I gave him some extra leftover sweet potato. And he was loving it. You're so cute. Cuddling with your elephant. I can't. All showered and clean, and you guys, I am so excited to show you some pieces that have been arriving from Lowe's. Shout out Lowe's for sponsoring this video. Thank you so much for partnering with me in this video. Wait till you guys see. These pieces that I've ordered are literally the cutest interior decor pieces, if you will. I feel like people forget about Lowe's for interior decor. Do not sleep on Lowe's. You may have even noticed peeking out in the background of the mirror when I was first filming after I ran. How cute are these baskets? Also, before I forget to mention, I will link all these pieces down below in the description in case you guys are interested, because I found literally the cutest home pieces from Lowe's so that you don't have to. I have been looking for the most perfect wicker woven baskets to have in this one empty corner. You'll see, or if you saw earlier, kind of where they're at. These are them. I searched far and wide. These are the best ones. Look at the quality. Look how cute they are. Not all wicker baskets are made the same. You know, they all have different vibes and looks. Perfection. These are so cute. Like a big one and a little one. At first I thought maybe we'll throw some shoes in there, and then I was like, Brody toys? I don't know. We'll see. The options are endless, but I really wanted cute baskets in that empty corner over there. Please, how cute. I also believe I grabbed these while they are on sale, which is so nice. And I know I also got free shipping in my order since it was over $45, so know that on Lowe's. When you order over $45, you'll get free shipping. They also have the buy online, pick up in store option, and even like same day delivery option. Next up, see, since these have been arriving over time, I'm showing you the pieces that I opened already that came a couple days ago, but then I just got some new ones in like today. So these pillows just stood out to me. I was like, I fear we need these. I feel that we need, because got a lot of neutral going on, a lot of white, tan, beige, and I just felt like for our couch, Cape Cod vibes, I'm trying to mix in some more gray, blue, yeah, like these light blue, nice little linen decorative pillows. So I thought these would be really nice. The decorative pillows I have on there are maybe 5 or 6 years old, and like one has a hole in it, so I'm like, I could use some fresh ones. Got this gold mirror, which is perfection, the main event, and it worked out so well because I measured the bathroom down here where I want to replace the mirror that's currently in there. I can insert some footage right here of what it currently looks like so you can see the vibe. It needs this mirror. It's like a scallop gold looking mirror. It's the perfect dimensions for in there, and I have a vision of doing wallpaper in there and having like a gold mirror, and it'll just be like fun and funky and a little personality. So this is literally the prettiest mirror ever, if you can see. I wish I could hang it up right now, but I don't know if I could do that by myself, so I gotta wait till Lucy comes or Max visits or something so that we can swap them out. How cute! I've always seen these and wanted, yeah, and there's a little one too. Let's whip her out. Always seen these like resin white little decorative boxes, and actually when Max and I were just in St. Vincent, I saw these like stacked up on a shelf. I'm like, okay, that's it. This is my sign. I gotta get me some of these because they're just so beachy and cute and neutral, and I just feel like elevated to go on our shelves over there. I cannot wait to see this. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, these are even better in person. You guys. I feel like people wouldn't even know that Lowe's online on their website has the most beautiful art pieces like this. Look at this, like this shadow box, Shelly looking piece of art. Actually comes with 2, and it would be so cute if you had a long enough wall to like stack them or put them side to side. I actually don't know what I'm gonna do with like this one of them, because I just have this spot right here that I'm thinking, but there's light switches in the way, so I don't think I can stack both. But honestly, I might bring this one with us this hockey season and decorate our apartment for the season with it. Wait, I feel like we should swap this out with that right now. I want to see what it looks like. It's gonna be so good. All right, JK, this is where I envision it going, but this is really lightweight and just on a little nail or two, which is not gonna work for that piece of art because it's heavier. So I need someone to help me do like 2 screws on the wall, because that's just hard too. I would do one right now, but it's has the 2 hooks on the back right now, if you see what I mean. So she'll have to be hung at a later date. Dang it, I wanted to do it right now for you guys to see. Look at how beautiful this is. Okay, this is so hard to do with one hand, but here, so you can see the vibe. Won't it be so cute? Okay, last but not least, we've got this little sculpture. It's just like a corally looking sculpture, and I thought it was so beachy and so cute and gonna look adorable on the shelves over by my TV. So I think I might do a little reel or TikTok like styling these new pieces, so stay tuned for that to like see how they all end up. But how stinking cute is this? This just screams Cape Cod we love. So again, I'll have all these pieces linked down below in the description. And now actually I went to Trader Joe's last night, last minute, and decided to stock up on some of the fall things, the pumpkin things. So I thought I could insert that footage right here of a little grocery haul. Here you go. Happy fall. I guess it's not technically fall yet, but let me tell you, in Trader Joe's, it feels like it. There is orange and pumpkin and leaves and autumn and butternut squash and acorns everywhere. You know what I mean? I was just taking out all my groceries from Trader Joe's, and then I was like, I should film this. And basically, I was thinking about going tomorrow. This is my new life hack with Trader Joe's. It is always packed. And then I was like, you know what? If I just go tonight, like an hour before it closes, I bet it'll be way more empty, and then it'll be over with, and then I won't have to do it tomorrow when it's busy. There's my new life hack, you guys. No one was in there. It was like empty. So it was kind of peaceful and nice. Normally Trader Joe's is chaotic. Okay, why don't we, you know what, put that to the side, and we'll start with everything in front of me, and I'll just, here we go, rapid fire. Okay, butternut squash mac and cheese. Yum, the best part. One of the best things I think that comes out in the fall from Trader Joe's. Got 2 of these. This is actually my all-time favorite here, the sweet potato gnocchi. This is like a year-round thing, but I feel like it tastes very fall, and I just love that so much. Another year-round thing, all-time fave. Their spicy chicken jalapeno sausage is just so good. Sorry, the lighting is probably not, you know what'll make it better? Hang on, a little better? Yeah, a little brighter. Okay. Then we've got, let's do other fall things. Maple pecan granola. I feel like sometimes they do maple stuff. I haven't seen that before, so I'm guessing that's a part of fall. This is my favorite that comes out every fall, the autumnal harvest creamy pasta sauce. Oh, this stuff is so good. With their butternut squash ravioli and like the pumpkin one. I actually don't like the pumpkin ravioli that much. Butternut squash is also another one of my favorites, but they were sold out. They also were out of eggs, which is so funny. The whole shelf was empty. This I also hadn't seen. This caught my eye. Maple chicken breakfast sausage. I'm like, okay, yum. Because I'm a big chicken sausage girl. I've never seen those before, so I'm guessing that's fall. This looks fall-y. I don't know if it is. Oat creamer cinnamon bun. I can't believe I haven't tried this one. I think I've tried their brown sugar one, but not the cinnamon one, and everyone always DMs me that and it's like, Gretchen, you need to try it. This also has to be pretty fall. Their pumpkin overnight oats. I haven't seen their overnight oats before. I thought they looked really good, so I grabbed a peanut butter and a pumpkin. Okay, what have I not showed you? I gotta go quicker. turkey bacon. Thought that'd be fun for like a breakfast burrito. Some ground beef. You know what? Don't go grocery shopping hungry. I went grocery shopping hungry and I started thinking about tacos. I got ground beef. Am I gonna make tacos? I don't know. We'll see. Some carrots, some hummus to go together. Cauliflower gnocchi. Cream cheese. I was hoping they had pumpkin bagels, but I didn't see them out yet. Broccoli. We're going quicker. Kale. I love doing like a kale fall-y salad, fall in my eye, with some goat cheese, pomegranate seeds. It's like sweet potato or butternut squash. Oh, the sweet potato is in there somewhere. We'll get to that in a sec. Lucy's been getting me onto this sourdough. This is like her favorite sourdough ever. Shout out Sydney. Love you, miss you. I saw in her story today she's been doing these little hash browns with her breakfast, like with eggs, and I never get these shredded ones. I always get the ones that are in the little things, you know. But I was like, okay, I'll try that. Those look good. Some plain Greek yogurt, some mustard. I noticed we were almost out. Some strawberry jelly. Notice we got out of this too. I've been wanting jelly recently. Don't ask, I don't know why. Like a toast with butter and jelly just sounds really good. This I've also never seen at Trader Joe's. I went crazy and got some that wasn't on my list because it was hungry. I love tabbouleh. Does anyone remember when I would make it homemade? It's kind of like a labor of love and takes a while, but I've never seen them have their own, and I'm like, oh yum, I miss that. Like a tabbouleh salad with like hummus and kale and oh my gosh, the yummiest thing in the world. My favorite little crackers they have at Trader Joe's. These, I always get the pesto marinated chicken breast. This is a savory herb chicken thigh. And I thought that looked good, so we're gonna try that. Some cottage cheese. Lucy made an egg salad the other day with cottage cheese instead of mayo, and it was low-key so good. So I kind of want to try that. So I got a big one in case I needed a lot. This has got to be new in fall. Organic maple butter. Yum. Yum. This just screams fall to me. I love maple, and like this on an English muffin. Butter. Oh, I should have got English muffins. Then I got little tortillas for said tacos, some olive oil spray. I feel like I never use a spray, I always just use butter, but I kind of been wanting like a quick little spray for eggs or something. Okay, last but not least, wow, I really got a lot, but I do have my sister coming tomorrow. So, yes, lost just a couple days. And her boyfriend. Bananas, raspberries, I just need a lot of like fresh fruits and veggies, you know, because I've been away. Strawberries. Spinach, I love putting in my smoothies. Some dill, that's gonna go in that egg salad. When am I gonna have time to make all these things I think of? I don't know, I hope it doesn't go bad. Some apples, I just felt like that was very fall, I don't know. Blackberries and raspberries. My favorite, sweet potato. Sweet potatoes. Whoa, avocados. A red onion that goes in that, pomegranate, kale, goat cheese, sweet potato salad, sweet salad. And last but not least, I had some of these in New York and now I've been like craving them. Just grabbed these two little perfect bars. Okay, sorry, I thought that was gonna be quick. That was not quick. There's my Trader Joe's fall-ish haul. I'm sure they'll have more fall things come out as September and October goes on. I did see the pumpkin like pancake mixes, bread mix, little pretzel crisps. So that concludes this haul, and I'll probably pick this vlog back up in the morning. Thanks for joining. I always look at all of this and I'm like, wow, that's a lot of food. I really can eat all that? Hello you guys. I didn't flip out the viewfinder, so I don't even know if hopefully I'm in frame. It's the next day. Hello. I know so far I feel like I've just been standing in the kitchen showing things, showing Trader Joe's and my new fun pieces from Lowe's. So I figured you and I together take care of something that's been weighing on me. It's been building that I need to take care of, which is, and if any of you watching this have been putting this off, this is your sign to go tackle it. Take care of the mess that is the underneath of your sink. Oh, why does it get so bad? And I always try to keep it organized. I can't even, that's so embarrassing. I think I need to pull it all out, start fresh, go through things. So I figured we could do that together right now. You and I, we can do it. And I really need to like also clean the countertop and the mirrors. They're looking like gross up here, but I get so much stuff out on the counter. I just need to like take it all out, Here we go. We can do it. Oh my goodness, you guys, an hour and a half later. I wish I was kidding. I can't believe that takes me so long. Actually, Lucy got here last night too, and so it was so helpful. I brought her in here and I gave her like a bag of stuff. I'm like, whatever you like, take it. This is so overwhelming to me having like so much stuff. This is my mirror. I really gotta clear this mirror. How do I let it get so bad? Also, Max says when I brush my teeth, oh, it's not that I'm like spitting on the mirror. It's like I hit my toothbrush against the sink to like dry it off, and it like splatters water up in the mirror, so I think that's why it gets. Anyway, wow, that took so long, but I made a lot of progress. It always feels like a weight off my shoulders when I'm like organizing here because it just gets so cluttered. So this is what we're working with. Okay, organized different than I initially thought I would. This probably doesn't even look okay. Well, the reason I kind of organized into my little toiletry bags is because I was thinking ahead for when I leave in a couple weeks for hockey season. I was like, this is just gonna be way easier this way. I have like some medicine, miscellaneous stuff in there, a bunch of makeup, a bunch of like mini toiletry, skincare, stuff like that, and then only a couple things left over that will stay here over the winter. I'll probably bring that mirror with me too. Do you guys hear Brody sneezing in my bedroom? It's really funny. Some headbands. Yeah, so I'm actually happy I organized and went through that, and that's just gonna be a whole lot easier to bring with me in these. I just keep here these like acrylic little drawers. So we're doing good, we're feeling good. It doesn't like look that organized, but at least in my head now it is. I want someone to teach me the magic organization practice of how you keep your under the sink and your bathroom stuff organized, because mine always just turns into a mess so quickly. Okay, let's see what we have going on over here. Actually, this one I'm not showing you. I just have so much skincare and everyday stuff, it's not organized. But this, I always keep my makeup bag in, and I just wanted it to feel like clean, and this is like my everyday kind of makeup, and another like, little toiletry bag. I travel with a bunch. This is probably scary hair stuff, but that's just how it is. You know, all the appliances, that's their whole drawer. Hair dryer, hair dryer, blow dryer, that's the same thing. Straightener, curler, air wrap, all that type of stuff. Okay, then this is always so cluttered with hair stuff. I did organize and pack up a bunch of it in here though, so I just have like a couple things, yeah, they're random things around. But ideally, like if I could make it so there's barely anything in there, ideally I'd love to get rid of this. Like I know it's more storage, but I just feel like it would make our bathroom flow more and feel more open and not like disconnected with that thing in the middle. I don't know. That's just long term. That's where my head goes. Okay, I feel like this vlog is low-key getting long. I just knew I wanted to do a little bathroom organization. We got our fall Trader Joe's haul, new decor, which I can't wait for you guys to see, like styled around the house. I already say I'm having deja vu. Might make a little reel or TikTok of that. Yeah, so you will see. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. I'm gonna end it off here. Love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.